Yo guys, so just a quick one today. I didn't trade today, but just because I wasn't looking at the markets again, because I got busy, I got caught up in something, and just having my analysis now, and there was two, not one, but two trades we could have taken that both would have been bangers. So yeah, let's get into it. So first off, the what was the 4 hour? 4 hour was in a downtrend, but it was we're sort of in like this little range here. So like it wasn't like I definitely thought price was going down. Even on the daily, like it was we're still in an uptrend on the daily. So really, price could have gone either way. My bias still is a would have been short here. Yeah, but yeah, as you can see, it's pretty up and down. We're pretty much in a range, but there's still trades to be taken when you are in a range, and that's the same. You know what? It's always the same for both EU and GU, because they are very highly correlated. So yeah, I usually just take whichever one's got that shows me the best setup. Today that would have been EU if I wasn't a stupid little boy and just looked at the market, just kept an eye on it. So I can't wait just to fully dedicate myself to this because recently price action has been so good, and I just feel like I'm missing out on just on opportunities to take advantage. Even though I'm not making any money off it yet, it still feels like I should be taking a look and have an actual live market experience rather than just doing my analysis off the day at the end of the day. But anyways, first off, market open was here. London session open was here. Had these. So we had these. I guess those aren't even session highs, but they are 15-minute highs, which I would still count as liquidity. Actually, no, they were hourly highs. Now I remember. Yeah, they were hourly highs here. Swept above them. Obviously, we'd be looking for a short, so we could have gone down to the 1 minute. On that. So yeah, there's the trade we could have taken. So sweep. This candle break a structure. This was after news has happened, so it would have been okay to take a trade, and we could have entered off of this big fair value gap getting tapped into there. Stop loss above these highs. Take profit at previous session lows. Hit them, and then even after that happened, we could have counted that as a sweep of liquidity. Because our bias was was short, I would have done this on the 5 minute. Let's just get rid of that quick because just to make it easier to see. And yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Sweep of previous session lows, break a structure on the 5 minute on this candle, created this nice fair value gap, retracement, entered into there, full take profit at the 2-to-1. You could have targeted. Oh no, we would have targeted these probably, which they did still end up taking. So yeah, that's two. That could have been 4% gain today. That's crazy. But yeah, we didn't look. But I'm gaining confidence in my strategy from these like back testing sessions where I look at the market, what the market's done after it's closed, after the day has happened. But yeah, I still would have preferred to actually take these trades. Obviously, I wouldn't even take that second one, but I could have because I only trade once a day, one trade a day. But yeah, price action's been moving crazy, moving good. What have we got for next week? What's the weekly saying? So I reckon we're still in the uptrend on weekly. We filled in this fair value gap here. Also tapped into this order block. I don't think that's equilibrium. That is equilibrium. So yeah, oh, hang on. Yeah, that's well into equilibrium. So bias for next week will be for the price to extend up. That's just what it looks like to me. Yeah, we're in an uptrend on the weekly, on the daily, and on the oh no, we're not on the 4 hourly, but my guess is we will break structure to the upside on the 4 hour. So yeah, that's my market analysis for today, and my prediction for next week is for a weekly up candle. So we'll probably be favouring longs next week, although I don't really focus on the weekly candle. It's just something to point out and keep in your mind, I guess, whilst you're trading. That yeah. So I'll catch you next week, hopefully. Hopefully I can actually look at the trades and look at the market and take some nice trades next week. So yeah, make sure you tune in. Catch you in a bit.